That's the Great Pyramid of Egypt. Ayan. Dito kami ngayon sa Cairo, Egypt. Actually, this place is Giza. Giza, Egypt. At ito ang aming hotel. Dito kami nag-check-in. Yan. Actually, ang ganda ng niya eh. Very pretty siya. And it's our first day today. Yan. Meron siyang lift going down. Kasi nasa 4th floor kami. And then, this is the name of our hotel. Pyramid Edge Hotel. Ganda ng Egypt. Yan. Okay. Yan. Ganda ng painting na yan. May wall. And then, that's also mga rooms yan. Ano siya? Ba, may hero. Kita ko yung aking katabaan. Yan. And then, another painting here. Ganda. Yan. And then, this is our room. 409.